Hello everyone. In this projection of plane's square plate problem, the side dimension is given 30 mm and it rests on HP such that one of the diagonal is inclined to 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. It's beta method problem. And start construct, that is draw those square lamina. It's a corner case problem. Rhombus diagonal is inclined to HP at 30 degree, VP at 45 degree. Okay, first write the XY line and write those quadrant and XY with capital letter. And to draw the rhombus, okay, use the protractor, and from one corner take 30 mm with 45 degree and again same one side, another side 30 mm 45 degree. Okay, both the lengths are, the one is 30 with 45 degree, one more 30 with 45 degree. Okay, next take compass with one corner, okay, take a compass from one corner, radius is 30 mm, draw one arc and same radius 30 mm, cut that arc, only square lamina is thick, those arcs are always you have to show, that is thin line only. Okay, now join those intersection points with thick line. And now name the points ABCD square lamina, ABCD A, B, C and D, and show the dimension of one side dimension, you show it 30, then project for front. Okay, project the front view. Okay, using scale, thin line, project from A up to XY line, then B and D same line, then next C XY line up to XY line, you project it, okay, up to XY line, all those lines are perpendicular. Now draw the lines, front view is straight line, here A to B one line, then B to D one line, and name those points. A dash is visible above the XY line, A dash, this is B dash, within bracket D dash, and last point is C dash. Now this surface lamina or front view is inclined to VP at HP at 30 degree. Okay, measure this length, whatever the length. Okay, then you check those, whatever the length is there, dimension. Okay, from here to here. Okay, it is 42 mm. Okay, 42.5, 42 mm, and using those protractor using the protractor from this C. Reference is C. Okay, reference is C. 42 mm. 42. Okay, 42 mm. 42 mm. You draw length of C dash to A dash, and exactly in mid you have to cut exactly in midpoint is your B dash and C dash. Now name those, write the C dash. This one is base point is C dash, midpoint is B dash, D dash, and apex point is A dash, and write those angle 30 degree. Angle is using already written those 30 degree. Show the angle 30 degree angle. Now project for top view. Project downwards for top view. All those four corners. Start with A. A is up to here. Downwards. Then B and D exactly mid. 42 means half. And next last point is C. C point project downwards. Now start with A and C are same line. Project it towards right side, and B point project up to B dash, D to D dash. Now name those points, name the points A, B, C, D in top view. Okay, write it. This point is A. This is our B, C, and D. Join those, write this. Join the A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Okay, we have to show by thick line. Draw thick line, apparent lamina. Okay, now VP at 45 degree. Draw 45 degree line. Then next, it's in beta method. We have to measure the original lamina and apparent lamina distance. Draw 45 degree line from VP 45 degree line, and using protractor draw the 45 degree line. Then next we have to show those angle first without missing. Show the angle is XY line too. Angle is 45 degree. Just without forgetting, show the, write the angle 45 degree. Okay, next measure the original lamina and apparent lamina distances. Original lamina and apparent lamina distances. One is A to C. First one, A to C, you will get 42. Okay, 42 mm. 42 mm without missing. Show the dimension of 42. In beta method compulsory you have to show the dimension of horizontal distance 42. Next measure the apparent lamina horizontal distance. Second one, A to C from this line to this line, and you have to show this dimension as to neatly without missing. You have to show the dimension of apparent lamina of 36 mm. 42 and 36. Now first mark the 42 mm on 45 degree. Okay, taking line from this line, one point A to C is 42. 42 on 45 degree. Okay, on you have to mark those points. Taking scale. First point is somewhere you take downwards. 42 mm, measure it 4.2, and on those 45 degree line you mark it and name the points. Name it. Okay, here is A. One point is A and another point is C. Okay, already can darken those lines to get those easily. So this point is A. Mark it little bit darken, you will get reference. Okay, now draw the locus and now show it. If you have confusion, show it dark line. Then you will get proper reference where exactly the point is there. So here A to C. This point is our A. A point is here. C point is here. Cut this locus line by using compass. The distance is 36. A is the center, 36 mm or 3.6 centimeter. 3.6 centimeter. Draw an arc. You will get intersection and join that line by thin line from here to here, and X, that is using scale, give that extension. Measure by using protractor. Measure the angle. You get around 55 degree. Okay, because we have taken those approximate value. This is 36 point something. You will get around 55, 56 in manual sketching. This one is A. This point is our C point. This is C, second point. We have to construct those A and A and C already we know. This point we have to using this dimension, the C to D, then C to B. We have to, and A to D, A to B. We have to get those points and take a compass to take the dimension from A to C. A to C is around 28 mm and A to B also 25, C to B also 25, C to D also 25. One dimension using compass 28 mm from all the four side. You draw arc, one arc 28, then again one more arc 28 this side. Cut those arc by 28 only. And again this side again 28 mm or 2.8 centimeter. Cut this. You'll get those points are your B and D intersection points. Name those points. This is our A and it's B. C, this is our D, and just join those intersection points A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. So here from A to B, B to C, C to D, then again A. And now project for front view. thin line, thin line, thin line you have to project to get those last front view. See, project this A dash towards right side. Then exactly B dash and D dash. C dash is on XY line. Now start with A. A is apex point. And A is apex point. Always those projection lines are perpendicular lines. Go with point A end point to apex point. B is here midpoint. Exactly 90-degree line you have to draw. Okay, 90-degree perpendicular line. Then C is exactly an XY line. Exactly on XY line. Okay, perpendicular. Next, D is midpoint. Okay, now those points you mark it using write those A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Okay, this apex point is A. Exactly up to those line you have to project, and you can erase this line, unwanted line. Now name the write those A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This point is our A dash. It's our B dash, C dash, D dash, D dash. Join by thick line to complete the problem. Last step, front view. Go with A to B to C, then D. Okay, the point is A, B is here, Paul. A is in apex point, B is here, small error also, you won't get neatly, be careful. This point is your B and A is apex point here in this. A is here, check it. 8 point to project and to mark it, it's our A. Then projected line, it's our B. This is B, it's C. Exactly, you have to intersection points you have to take. If you have done mistake, please be careful. Last part, D dash. Now join by thick line A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Go with A, B, C, D, and last point B dash. Okay, this completes your problem. Projection of square lamina. It's a corner case beta method problem.